How to fix Instagram block camera problem. Hello guys, so in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing you want to do guys is open the settings on your phone, and then you have to open the apps manager. After you open the apps, now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds. It will start loading like this, and then scroll all the way until you find the Instagram. Click on Instagram like this, and now all what you want to do here is click on the force stop option and go down into the storage. Click on clear data, clear cache, go back again, click on the data usage and disable the roaming data. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.